just informed that it is pronounced Gijón, like a K, Gijón. Map. And as you can see, I'm on a bus.
I hope that you understand my English. During our tour, if you have any questions, build the city wall, the Roman baths, and change the name of the area. You can see here on the left, and maybe you see your boat, your cruise on the harbor.
This is my little hearing thing here. I don't know what you call them. There's a museum in their old train station. There was a train station in the mid-19th century. We are in the area of Asturias. They had coal mines that they would truck out, and also lots of steel. These are all shipyards. The 2-kilometer beach is filled with sand that was brought here. The shell is for the Camino. Just follow to go to Santiago de Compostela. You can see the tide is out right now, and it's raining. It was supposed to be sunny today. Wrong. You can see we're coming to the main gate. That was a palace. It has been restored. Cider is their main drink here in the north, and they made a statue filled out of cider bottles. I'll show it to you as soon as I can walk over in this heavy rain. Under this plaza, they found Roman fish factory that they would send the fish to Rome. From the 16th century, the well.
Water that we can eat, no salty water. And this plaza and the other plaza. You see the dragon? The dragon, but
these are all the remains of the Roman wall. One time all in stone, now in brick.
To preserve. And it was but during the Civil War, the church was destroyed.
The Roman baths were underneath here. This is the main plaza, and it's to the bus. And of course the sun is coming out now. City Hall. You can see cider, S-I-D-R-A. That is a marker for the Silverway. The Plaza de Marquis is named after a title granted by Philippe V in 1707. This area housed a salting industry for the domestic market between the 3rd and 4th centuries. The port was begun during the reign of Ferdinand and Isabella, and that well was built. And now the sun is out. Yay! It is possible to take a seawater bath. Today is Saturday and everything is closed, and tomorrow will be Sunday and everything will be closed where we are tomorrow, which is a good thing. It's saving my credit card.
I came from Sevilla or here this sun from the south. Oh, it's so cold. It's cold. No. It's nice weather. Tamayor here on the left where we have the city hall. Then we'll see again the St. Peter's Church here to the left.
There used to be a market here.
Nice. Wow, look at that. And in the middle
These are called
sometimes these nice
gallerias.
French Baroque facades. Down slowly, we always we are looking, I don't know, the people, remember people, and taking care of our region, because we really love Asturias. And on the left, there is a square building. That's the typical and traditional granaries that we have in Asturias. And that's the granary, only one door, completed, no windows.
Granary.
Yeah. And
Granaries are protected.
To be the snow goes from the sea to the south. Well, we just made here.
This is a mirador, just a stop for photos.
And here they make excavation because they look for. We see the horses here to the right. For daily training.
They're bagpipes. I really didn't expect the weather to be as cool as it is right now. And at home, I probably have 12 different kinds of sweatshirts. Only brought one with. So people will see me in the same sweatshirt every single day, which is not a big deal. This is a very casual cruise. As you can see, we're cruising along the north part of Spain. And there is Bilbao, one of my favorite towns.